Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to back up Google Keep Notes. So let's get started. So if you want to back up your Google Keep Notes, now to do that what you have to do is follow some easy steps. First, what you can do is just simply open up your Chrome browser. After opening up your browser, now in search bar you can search for keep.google.com. And after searching for that, now you'll come up to your Keep website. From here, you can just simply back up your notes. Now, in order to back up your notes, what you have to do is just simply auto select every single notes that you have. You can also type in Control plus A, and that will select every single notes that you have. Now, to back up them, what you have to do is just simply tap on the three dotted icon which is on the top right. After tapping on that, just simply tap on Copy to Docs. And after tapping on Copy to Docs, now it will copy your notes in Docs, and after copying it, now you can just simply tap on open docs, and after opening it, it will be backed up over here. So here you can see guys, the notes has been successfully backed up. So in this way, you can also back up Google Keep Notes. So that's it guys, this is how to back up Google Keep Notes. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.